Most Ecuadoran children trafficked into Venezuela come from provinces of Chimborazo, Canar, Andean region, predominantly indigenous. And that's probably because they're lied to easily. They don't know what's going on. Sounds about right. Human trafficking is a serious problem. According to recent government study, the main destination provinces for human trafficking include Pinchincha, Guayas, Esmeraldas, and Manabi. Ecuadorian women are also trafficked in Colombia, Peru, Venezuela, and Western Europe for commercial sexual exploitation. Traffickers are organized criminal gangs specializing in movement of persons, proprietors, small businesses such as bars, brothels, or illicit employment brokers. Victims are lured romantically or with promises of legitimate employment and then forced into prostitution.